What's up, everybody? Dan Greer, Clips DOT, coming at you today from my office. Talking today about the importance of organization within DQ files. So it's super important to have DQ files organized, and I'm going to give you guys a few tips, a few hints on how to organize them to make them amazing. Number one, get .docs. .docs.com. It's a software we've built. It's super awesome. It's amazing. But here's some of the things you got to know about DQ files that are completely different, and it's just like down to the nuts and bolts of it. Okay, so number one, separate your drug testing from your DQ files. Drug testing should be 100% separate from DQ files or personnel files. Okay, so it needs to be 100% all its own. It's its own file. Period. Point blank. End of story. Don't combine them. Don't mix them together. Don't even put them in the same folder. Be like, boom, here's drug testing. Boom, here's this. If you're doing it digitally, 2 separate folders as well. Okay, a couple reasons for that, but number one is privacy. Okay, number two is like litigation and audit reasons. You want to have those guys separated. DQ files versus personnel files. This is a very common misconception. Everybody's like, oh, I have DQ files. No, you have a personnel file. Most of you don't actually have DQ files. You've got one file that's a personnel file, and you've combined them both in. You're like, I've got an application. Yeah, but does your application meet FMCSA regulations? Probably not. Not unless you've got a DOT regulation, DOT application, okay? So like if you're a company that's like, oh yeah, I got this application online, I fill it out. Great! But is it the DOT application required by FMCSA? I don't know, okay? I can't tell you until I look at it. My team can tell you as soon as they look at it, but until we look at it, we can't tell you, okay? Most applications don't actually meet the FMCSA guidelines unless they're an FMCSA DOT application, okay? Ease of access is also a key that you need to know about. You need to be able to have your documents like right in front of you. You need to know where they're at. You need to know how to get them. You need to know how to do it quickly, okay? And then next one is like choosing the right system. Do you want to do it paper? Do you want to do it digital? Do you want to do it with files? Do you want to do it amazing with like .docs? Do you want somebody else to manage it for you? Do you want to do it yourself, right? Like those are all questions you need to ask yourself. And the only way to make those decisions is to actually talk about them with your leadership team, okay? The next thing is like regular maintenance. You got to actually keep up on your DQ files. If you're not doing them and checking on them monthly at the minimum, you're not doing yourself justice. You're gonna have stuff that's out of compliance in there. And so I just want to remind everybody that like organization is huge. Separate them from your personnel files. Drug test files are there. And remember, if you want somebody to just do it for you so you can like focus on growing your business, call us. Hit us up. EclipseDOT.com. All right. Chat with you guys later. Bye.